Ships stuck at sea, trucker shortage, worker shortage, murder hornets, a pandemic, computer chips nowhere to be found. Ah! What am I to do? There's simply not enough time, but, there is a way. I wonder if they could help. Yes, I wonder if I have that number around here somewhere. Gotta be around there. Oh, yes, here they are. Carlson Tool.
Hello, Carlson Tool.
Hello, Matted Santa.
Hey, Santa. It's been a while.
Yes, 12 months, 4 days, 36 minutes. For Christmas this year, I'm in a bit of a pickle.
What do you need? Some new tools?
Well, supply chain issues and, the elves that are working are absolutely terrible.
Ah, come on. It can't be that bad.
It's bad. So I was hoping you could help out with a few items. Great. You have a pen ready?
Of course. What can we help you with?
New sleigh ski, buckets for reindeer food.
All right, we got the 1 gallon or the 5 gallon. And then for the... Wait, you need a new North Pole pole? With a hole. Well, sounds like we can get this all done for you, Santa. Anything else? All right, Santa, sounds good. We'll get back to work and get this ready for you by Christmas. All right, take care.
Goodbye. It'd take a miracle to pull this off. Yes, hello? Oh, you're finished! Carlson, you saved Christmas again. So, what did you do to improve my sleigh? Whoa! This thing's got some juice! Thank you, Carlson. Whoa! This is fast!